Hello, November. It's November 2nd. Hello, 10th grade honors English. What's the most awkward thing that happens to you on a regular basis? All right, welcome to November. We did have an announcement that the school district is going distance learning for secondary, that's middle school and high school students, in 2 weeks, starting on the 16th. So let's make the most for you in-class students while you're here. All right, November 2nd, we have our daily journal. Go ahead and take attendance. We have another vocab word. We have our first quiz next week. We have our Socratic seminar or in-person discussion for our A-Day students. And then the plan for everyone else. You had the Flipgrid analysis. I had students asking me and clarifying, hey, there's a Flipgrid analysis again on Friday. Is it the same one as Thursday? Yes, it is the same one. And it's in today's folder as well. I just copied and moved it over. So don't do it multiple times. I'm assuming you can only do it once, but don't be worried and don't question that again. So if I see people asking that question, I know they're not watching this video. Finish up your Flipgrid Media Lit analysis. The video to me. Otherwise, we're going to have another writing activity. This is preparing for our first summative writing activity that you'll get next week. And so today we're going to be reviewing a few students, the thematic statements they made from Thursday's activity, and just to remind us of what accurate theme statements look like. And then you're going to write a thematic paragraph using text evidence in support of your statement from Fahrenheit 451. The rest of the week, you will be self-assessing your paragraphs based on next week's summative rubric so that you are well prepared and understand what we're asking of you in your writing. Other than that, you have your screen time graphs. Those were due today. It's been 7 days. You're going to take a screenshot of your graph. You're going to put it in today's document, and then you have space for a reflection. And you have your reading for the day. As a heads up, great job on those formative discussions last week. You're going to have your first summative discussion this Thursday, Friday, and Monday. So B days will be Thursday, Friday will be VLA, and Monday will be A-Day. I think this is all going to change, actually, because I just remember November 3rd, tomorrow, you don't have school. So stand by for dates on that. Your vocab word for the day is perfunctory. That the definition is it's an adjective, acting routinely with little interest or care. So you're just doing things out of routine. The businessman or business lady perfunctorily ironed their suit before work. All right, in Schoology today, I was looking at some thematic statements. In Schoology today, in the week 3 folder, you have space and directions for your 7 days on your phone. So you need to go find your screen time, look at the directions here, take a screenshot of your chart, and then follow the reflection question. It's asking you the same question I've been asking you for the past week. How might the time we spend on our smartphones affect, impact, influence society? So think about that. All right, I'm going to show you a few examples from last Thursday's theme statement assignment. And then you're going to be writing a paragraph. So we want to make sure you're thoroughly prepared for this next week's summative. And so we've reviewed theme quite a bit. Some of us are doing it a lot better. Some of us have a little bit of progress to make yet. So we're being as exceptional on this summative as we can be. So this week you're going to be writing a thematic paragraph today, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday you're going to be self-assessing yourself, and this will help you become more aware of what we're asking you to do. So 3 successful thematic statements. In Fahrenheit 451, Ray Bradbury illustrates the idea that when people settle for answers and don't question their lives, they become stuck and unhappy. Great job, you have an idea and you have a consequence. So you have a statement and then you have a because reason, why, the consequence here. Maybe you develop your language of become stuck and unhappy. What does that mean more specifically? But this passes, it's a great job. In Fahrenheit 451, Ray Bradbury expresses that people must acknowledge the issues in their lives rather than ignoring them to avoid devastating destruction in their lives. So I think, again, issues in their lives, maybe expand and be more specific with that, and then destruction in their lives, be specific about what that could mean. But you are pointing along the right direction, though that is negative, so good job. Thematic statements. Great job. In Fahrenheit 451, Ray Bradbury suggests that controlling citizens by censoring media leads to complicated consequences with one's identity. Very interesting statement. Great job. 1, 2, 3. Good thematic statements. We're making progress. I appreciated all of your active listening in our writing spotlights last week. So go into today's folder. You have a thematic paragraph assignment. Open up that document and review how you're being scored for this paragraph. The document and the rubric for your summative essay will be very similar, just encompassing more paragraphs. Other than that, you have a crash course. You have media literacy number 6. I saw we did very well on our media literacy quizzes, so excellent job. You have another video with guided notes. Keep up with those. And then your next reading assignment is pages 91 through 110. So you have 20 pages. We're going to be finishing up the book this week. And the study guides and reflection questions for this week will be helping you to prepare yourselves for your summative discussion. So thanks again. Great job. Happy November. I will be seeing you on Wednesday. No school Tuesday. It's election day.